Next, we are going to implement the list customer feature for the customer management module in our bookstore website project. This feature allows the admin users to see all the customers registered on the website. And in this video, we will do the following things. First, we need to code the list customer Servlet, a class that handle requests from the client, and then we need to code the customer services class, and then we code the customer list page in HTML and JSTL. This is the user interface designed for the customer list page. You see, there's a hyperlink create new customer that allows the admin user to create a new customer, and all the customer registered on the website are displayed in a table format like this. You see, with columns index, ID, email, full name, city, country, register date, and actions. Note that it doesn't display all the fields of a customer. It just shows some primary fields of a customer.